We're at Sporting Goods here at Northeast Mall in Hurst, Texas. It looks like we got ourselves an early KONE Series 220 or MontgomeryKONE Series 220. Let's see, what do we have here? Early MontgomeryKONE. Wow, that's a nice cab for Sporting Goods. Okay, I'm gonna need to bleep that one. Runs well. Same time as Macy's North Park. I'm wondering if Macy's North Park is also a MontgomeryKONE, just with a replaced phone box or something. Yeah, this is definitely a MontgomeryKONE. Very early one for sure. Runs well. Very smooth elevator, I must say. Ran nicely. I like that elevator. Definitely a nice one. And that's it.